What's going on, y'all? It's Q. Today's April 1st. April Fools. Wish all this Corona crap was April Fools. Well, I think it is, to be honest. But, just coming from the grocery store. Never can leave the house without the wife wanting something from the grocery store. But I'm on my way to go pick up a few items from the online auction I usually be using. I think about 11 things. Some vinyl records, some of those Hot Wheel cars. I forgot the rest, but that's what I'm going to go get. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, what's up, y'all? I almost forgot to even record, but right now I made a sale on a PS2 that I have, and I sold that right now on OfferUp. Me and the buyer, we're going to meet up. That's what I'm going to right now. To meet up and make this purchase for him. But I had games with the system, but he said he didn't want the games. He just wanted the system. So he had take the system for $40. So that's $40. And that's pretty good because I don't have to go through any fees or nothing. So it's straight hand cash. I'm okay with that. It's not too far from where I live, so this is quick and easy. But I'll see y'all soon. What's up, man? I got the memory card in there too.
All right, man. Thanks so much, man.
Oh, no problem.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Well, that was it. Quick and easy. Got the money. Gave him the PlayStation. That was it. I didn't get much of a video on it, but probably hear the audio. But that's pretty much it. So with that, I got that PlayStation with a bundle. I forgot when I got that PlayStation, but I had it for a little bit of time, and it came with a couple games, and two of those games sold for about $30 a piece. So I pretty much got my money back for that whole bundle of stuff just with those two games. Really kind of just like one, but so I'm making like a nice little buck on this PlayStation stuff. And by the guy not even wanting the games, that leaves just more a little bit of a profit. It won't be as much, but it's something. So I'm gonna list those games as one, and take down the console. So, and that'll be it, pretty much. Look at this, it's coming out of Walmart. And this Popeyes that just got built right here not too long ago is freaking packed. Look at all these cars. It's crazy. Oh man. All these dang cars out here. Going to Popeyes. I guess it's about to be another frenzy. Man, come stop at the bank to put the money in the bank. It's just packed up here since all this, everything's closed down. Look at it. All that. I guess the guy right there, he's acting as a car. Yeah, do what you gotta do, huh? Well, I guess that's what it is. Let's go ahead and just keep on moving. I just wanted to throw that in there. Alright, back home. Going go ahead and go through this stuff. Let's go ahead and look together, see all the stuff that I got. Alright, for the first thing here, the Penta enhanced home office library den with an exceptional touch of eglets. It's pretty much like a project boat. I mean, I looked up the listings, but I forgot what it was. But I'm just going through this to see, just to show what I have. So, I mean, if you guys want to take part into this, or if you see this one day, you can pick this up, and that's what I have right. So what I got right here is a True Value Hardware Stores. Well, a 1947 Dodge truck. I forgot the listings on this, but I will check, and if you guys see this anywhere, pick it up. I mean, I'll let y'all know how these things sell as they get sold. But here is a Mack Bulldog, like a farm supply truck. Now, die-cast metal replica. Look up that listings for that and get that together. Here, right here, brand new. It's a Major League Baseball board game, the second edition. I forgot some of the listings on here, but I will look up and hopefully you probably see in the video. But this is another. That's what I got. Oh, I'll put how much I paid for each one on the screen. This here, it's a Century Hardware. It's another die-cast metal little truck. It's 1957 Dodge. If you guys ever pick this up or will pick this up, I will do so. Alright. Next up, got a bunch of the Hot Wheel cars. So, I'm going to take these out the package right now. And these are the cars. Got 9 total. So I don't know if I'm gonna put these in a lot or sell them individually, but I'll check that out. And got another set. This is about 10 of them. So 9, 10, or 19 different ones. So I think I might probably lot this all together, because I heard putting these type of cars in a lot, you much more likely sell it than individually. So that's what I do with that. Next up here is a service station replica 1940. Brand new, still in the package, which I have sitting right here. Nice looking condition. Like I said, brand new. And I don't know, this might sell quick. Hopefully it do. But to get that listed, and you probably see some of the listings that I got probably showing on the screen. But let's move on to the next. Next here is I got 8 vinyl records. Got one here with Sapphire, Whitney Houston, Tommy Boy, Teddy Pendergrass, got Billy Ocean, some from Mariah Carey, and here I'm not familiar with who this is. Yes, some of you probably do. I don't know. And the Barn. I got a couple of records, so I'm about to show some more. This here, got another set of 8. It's got some Motown, some Donna Summer, got the Spinners, got Saturday Night Fever, some disco stuff here, more Motown, Barry Manilow, and the Bee Gees. Let's see what's next. And for the next 8 sets, that's Sammy Davis, Nancy Williams, the Planters. More Sammy Davis here, a little bit of Quincy Jones. Sitting here is the Jazz Crusaders and some Aretha Franklin. Oh, and Lou Rawls. Got another set, hold up. And for the last 8, got some Bad Boys. Donna Marie, Donnie Warwick, some Commodores sitting here with some Deborah Cox, and I'm not sure really how to pronounce this, but you see it. The Star Power, I'm not sure exactly what this is neither, so I had to look that up. And my name, I'm not sure who this is either, but I'll look it up. So this is everything. All together, I spent for everything is $101 and I think 60 cents. So I'm gonna have a lot of time listing all this, making sure I getting ideas of how I'm gonna list it, but it's all gonna get listed. It's not gonna get listed today, but surely but surely, each day I do a lot. So I'd like to thank y'all guys for watching and all the nice little things that I got to post in this while we're going through this troubling time. Still got to find ways to source and get things. Sometimes, for real though, since I've been doing this, like now that sometimes I'll be feeling like when I don't have nothing to list, I don't feel like I don't be having nothing to do no more. It's crazy how this started to take over, but it's kind of fun, but it's tiresome at times too, but I'm sure a lot of you know that. But I'm gonna go. I still got a lot more work to do. I just got done earlier listed them tube fuses that I got the other day from the other auction. So finally got done with that. That's why it's kind of late actually in the evening. I don't know what time. Oh, let's see what time it is. About to be 9:30, and I'm just now getting into the stuff that I got from the auction today. So, with all that said, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all to keep watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Stay a student for life, make mistakes and learn from them. That's all you can do, baby. I'm out.